Shutter speed is what controls how much light reaches the camera's sensor or film. It is the length of time that the shutter will remain open, allowing light to reach it. Shutter speed is time-based and measured in seconds or fractions of seconds. The less time the shutter stays open, the shorter the exposure time. The longer the shutter stays open, the greater the exposure time, resulting in more light being let in. It will allow you to capture great images even when your subjects are moving within the frame. Using a longer shutter speed, like 1/15 of a second, will tend to cause movements to blur, while using a shorter shutter speed like 1/500th of a second will simply freeze the image in place. For example, look at these two images. In one, you can see how the athlete is completely focused without any blur. And in the other one, he's a bit blurry. This happened because we used a faster shutter speed in the first photograph than we used in the second. When using a slower shutter speed, try to use a camera tripod in order to keep the camera as still as possible, because any additional movement of the camera will only add to the blurriness of the picture. Increasing the time that the shutter stays open by using a slower shutter speed will also help you to take great pictures even in low light situations. In this example, we can see how the night sky looks very dark, but the other picture is much brighter, allowing us to even see the stars in the sky. So remember, shutter speed helps you to control the amount of light that forms the picture. Too much light, the photo might look overexposed and more blurry. Too little, and it could look underexposed or too dark.
GCF Global, creating opportunities for a better life.